Dear listeners, this is an audio flyer for the performance Boiling Water, which will take place at Ausland, Berlin, on Friday the 12th of September from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. This audio flyer contains all the important information about concept, times, meeting points, contact details, and registration. Boiling Water is a multimedia performance created by Marcio Canabarro in collaboration with Savio Debernardis, Sandra Blatterer, and Marc Lohr, with an integrated audio description developed by Emmilou Roessling and Silja Korn. On a quest to be less self-referential and more aware of the unavoidable process of fictionalizing reality through hopes, fears, projections, and expectations, Marcio Canabarro initiates a process of auto-fictional writing as a radical form of honesty and a mindfulness practice. In this process, a series of stories emerge, forming a cosmogony that he has been exploring through a variety of artistic practices, creating a body of work that challenges the linearity and taxonomy of time and media. Through a hybrid methodology, including auto-fiction, vinyl narrative pieces, scripts, and visual traces, he speculates a form of access that does not depend on the supremacy of the visual, but rather invites multiplicity, fragmentation, and sensory heterogeneity. This effort to multiply the voice of the artistic research makes it more clear that art is not made in isolation, but shaped by cooperation, whether as reflection or reaction to socio-cultural and local environments, or by its diffusion into various expertises and aesthetic sensibilities in its coming to being. Cooperation emerges in writing, collecting fragments, narrations, sound building, conceptualizing space, and treating it as an installative dance exhibit, in creating a hyper-object dependent on multiple people and their perception. Now some more practical information. The performance will include spoken English language and an integrated audio description, also in English. A haptic tour will be offered 30 minutes before the performance begins. Ausland's address is Lichener Straße 60 in 10437 Berlin-Prenzlauer Berg. It is located at the end of a courtyard in a basement space. Please note that the ground in the courtyard is uneven. It is possible to arrange a pickup from the nearest public transport stations. The closest stations are U2 Eberswalder Straße, S-Bahn Schönhauser Allee, Tram M12 Raumer Straße. If you have a question or would like to arrange a pickup, please contact us at least 3 days before the event, either via our website or by phone. You can find the contact form and more information about accessibility here. Ausland.berlin/accessibility. Spelled AUSLAND.berlin/ACCESSIBILITY. Or call Ruth or Hila from Ausland at 0178 88 96746. Unfortunately, Ausland is not wheelchair accessible. Please contact us in advance so we can support you in accessing the venue. Please note that the performance contains loud sounds, dim lights, and a fog machine will be used. We look forward to welcoming you for the showing of Boiling Water on the 12th of September at Ausland, Berlin.